like surprise. Good morning, Dada. Good morning! Naligo na ako and welcome back pala sa aming channel. Ako po pala si Yan and welcome to another vlog. Yeah! Mama! What? Okay. Hay nako! Nagmamadali ako kasi si Sophia. Hindi maano-ano yung ano. Dadalhan natin si Bana ng coffee. Dalhan natin siya ng coffee with ganitong attire. Yes! Diba? Para tahan like, surprise! We're happy! Diba? So, alam nyo, galing ako sa taas. Kasi kukuha sana ako nitong bathing suit ba? Kailangan, andun sa kwarto niya. So, kailangan ko buksan yung ila. Di nagising siya. So, humbad na humbad ako. Humbad na humbad ako. Tapos, gilabnot ako. Gilabnot. Pagkatapos, gihalik-halikan ako. Sabi ko, mamaya na, please. Kasi, gagawan kita ng coffee. Hindi niya alam na may pasabog ako. Diba? Ayan. Ang tiyan. Let's go up. Let's go to Dada. Isama ko na lang si Sophia na. Come. Let's go up. Go to Dada. Bring Dada coffee. Let's go! Isama ko na lang kasi hindi na siya manood ng TV eh. Let's go, baby! Dada. Good morning! Sus, yung mukha niya. Good morning, Dada.
Not in camera.
Good morning, Dada.
A swimsuit.
Swimsuit. Sabi pa niya, not in camera. What do you mean, not in camera? Normally, I will serve breakfast. But I don't have time. Sophia wants to go out.
She's entry call on milk then.
No.
I could do things, but it'd be censored.
Diba? Were you surprised? What lose? I lose weight, man.
Where?
Here.
Oh, the hair. You lose hair. That's for you.
Diba? Saan ka pa? Breakfast with swimsuit? Ha? Oh.
Next bit can be very censored.
I'm protected with the camera.
Mind you, can always delete it anyway.
Dare me?
YouTube would definitely censor it.
It's nice, huh? You serve breakfast with swimsuit. I lose weight na daw 2 days.
How heavy you know?
63.
85?
63, oy.
How do you lose weight?
Huh?
You've done nothing.
Oh, 64. Cutting down my food.
Magagawa, laging natutulalay, kung lumalapit ka.
When it's back to 58, I could throw her around the bed again. She enjoys it.
What?
Turn it off.
I turn it off. No, I just want to serve you breakfast with swimsuit.
Where's the breakfast?
No breakfast. Later. So, bye mga lalabs. The same. You help Dada. Go, Dada. Magano ng kanyang machine. Alam niya, si Sophia ang gagawa ng kape ni Dada niya. Okay? Careful with the head. Very good. Wow! Good job. Your hair is so long na anak. Need to cut it. So I'm just having my lemon ginger tea. And then malapit siyang maubos. Kakainin ko lang tong steamed rice cake na ginawa natin kahapon. Ayan o. Nakakain na pala si Sophia ng isa. Sarap.
I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 Sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey hey yeah yeah I can't control
Dito na kami sa bahay pero kailangan kong maglagay ng ilaw para mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili namin. No? Medyo, healthy ng konti yung mga binili namin today ni Bana kasi I wanted to start with a different kind of diet. Hindi naman diet, parang lifestyle. Ano lang ba? Yung pagkain. Sophia pala is eating her yogurt, strawberry yogurt with may chocolate, siya, yung parang M&M's. Kaya siguro nagustuhan niya yan. So, punta tayo dito sa kitchen. My Bana is here supporting me.
Supposed to play my game.
Supporting me. He paid everything. Refundable de.
Payback.
Payback. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili namin. Medyo, nag-change kami konti ng aming kasi gusto kong mag-change na ng aming kinakain. So, konti-konti. So, first, eto siya para sa dessert. Alam nyo na. Ito yung pudding crumble fly. So, meron akong silver rice na binili. Brown rice siguro yan or ganun. Hala! Dalawa pala yung I bought. Oh! This one is Volcoren siya. Half silver and half white. Okay na lang din. And then, I have quinoa. Healthy daw yan, sabi. I have couscous. And then, yung white beans. Yung bread. Brown bread na yan siya. Ito, yogurt for, sa fruit. And then, kay Bana yan, parang gristmill. So, this one is for, 3 days. Ito yung salmon for tomorrow. Ito yung for Monday. Ito yung for the freezer. And then, my chicken fillet. And then, sa baba is yung gourmet namin. So, we have olives, biscuit for Sophia, apple juice, corn, tuna in water. Kasi, mas daw siya. Healthier. Ganun. Ito, garlic sauce and honey mustard sauce. And then, ito siya is garlic paste. I prefer this one para hindi siya madaling masira. Then, broccoli. We have pesto. Ayan o. So, I also have snack bars. Ito yung medyo healthy. So, without sugar daw yan. Tapos, ito is oatmeal and honey bar. Pwede naman yan gawin, pero next time when meron akong time, gagawin natin yan. We have milk. Ito yung tacos, Mexican tacos para sa aming dinner Monday. So, yan yung musli ni Bana, 4 nuts. We have mushrooms. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, cabbage salad na nabibili. So, bumili na lang kami para mamaya. We have cherry tomatoes. We have haricot fruits, pepper, pomelo again. Bumili ako ulit. Sana matamis. We have onions, bananas, avocado, strawberries, pomelo, mocha for dessert, and then bread, tortilla, strawberries, apple, at saka lettuce. And then dito, yung kay Sophia na yogurt. So, yun lang for today. It reached around mga 125, 130 euro. Lahat-lahat na. So, now, pag nasa bahay, I'm drinking more tea. Kahit naman din sa trabaho, I drink more tea. Kaso lang, palagi kang pumupunta sa toilet. Okay lang din yun. And then, nabasa ko din na yung caffeine is bad for high blood pressure. Bad siya. So, ubusin ko lang yung aking kape na in-order. Malapit siyang matapos. Na tayo magkakape. Tea na tayo or lemon and honey. Nagreklamo si Dada. Masakit na daw yung kanyang knees. What happened to your knees? It was shaking. Arthritis. Too much Gerger arthritis agad. Gerger one time arthritis. What is that?
Gerger arthritis. I suffer with arthritis in my knees.
Palusot pa. Ginapang ko yan kanina. Paghatid ko ng breakfast. Nilabnot ako ba?
I'm still waiting for my breakfast in bed.
Natakam siya. Maybe tomorrow if Sophia still asleep. I need to prepare breakfast at 4 a.m. in the morning. So that there's no Sophia.
Poached egg.
Huh?
Poached egg. Not fried.
Tomorrow, poached egg.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning, poached egg with
Not omelette because you put too much oil in.
Poached egg kami tomorrow. So, tomorrow, poached egg and and then in a while, kakain tayo ng fruits para snack. Ayan, tumutulong si Sophia. Tumutulong, nagsinamok. Sa unsap ka. Nus apa ko mahuman, ane. Kailan pa tayo matapos? Keep properly. Yeah, put it properly. Very good. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Yes? Then move it properly. Sophia! Dinner time. As usual, yung gourmet na naman kasi pag kakatamad magluto. We have bread, broccoli, pepper, mushroom, onions, string beans, and then may pineapple tayo. Ayan. Sauce tada. The sauces. And dyan lang ako magluluto sa sa kalaha, kawali. At saka si Sophia dyan nanonood while nagwa-washing. Kawawa yung aming baby.
I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 Sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey hey yeah yeah I can't control Hey hey yeah yeah I miss you baby Hey hey yeah yeah 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이
aming vegetables.
I can't control. I miss you, baby. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 우리 헤어져. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.